Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Revolut Webhook Integration. Revolut is a digital banking platform that provides a range of services including payment, processing and account management. Webhooks are a key feature of the Revolut API, allowing developers to receive real-time notifications when specific events occur. To get started with Revolut Webhook integration, you need to create a Revolut business account and enable the API. This will provide you with a unique API key and secret, which you will use to authenticate your webhook requests. Next, you need to choose the events you want to receive notifications for, such as payment receipts or account updates. Revolut provides a range of events that you can subscribe to, and you can select the ones that are relevant to your application. Once you have chosen your events, you need to set up a webhook endpoint. This is the URL that Revolut will send the notification to when an event occurs. The endpoint should be a secure HTTPS URL, and it should be able to handle JSON payloads. When Revolut sends a notification to your webhook endpoint, it will include a range of information about the event, such as the event type and the relevant data. Your application should be able to handle this data and perform any necessary actions, such as updating a database or sending a notification to a user. Best practices for Revolut Webhook integration include using secure HTTPS endpoints, validating the authenticity of incoming requests, and handling errors and retries. You should also ensure that your application can handle a high volume of notifications, and that you have a plan in place for handling any issues that may arise. In terms of practical examples, a common use case for Revolut Webhook integration is to receive notifications when a payment is received. This can be used to update a database or send a notification to a user, and it can help to streamline your payment processing workflow. Another example is to use webhooks to receive notifications when an account is updated. This can be used to synchronize your application with the Revolut API, and to ensure that you have the most up-to-date information about your users' accounts. In conclusion, Revolut Webhook integration is a powerful tool that can help you to streamline your payment processing workflow and improve your application. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can get started with Revolut Webhook integration and start receiving real-time notifications about the events that matter to your business.